Alright guys, so I'm just gonna turn this video into a vlog just because there's really not that much or that many cars that I found interesting to myself. So I'm just gonna show you what they have here as far as car selection goes. This is one of the higher cars here. And then let's see it. Yeah, it was a bust. It is my friend's event, so I came to support. We're good. Let's just walk to the car. Alright guys, so we showed up at BJ's in Oxnard. We left the event because there wasn't really much at that event. I apologize for the background noise. I realize there's a lot of it and I don't have a mic on this still, but yeah. I care what my viewers think, so you cannot be my viewer no more, cooties.
My food.
Yeah, get that
my food.
There we go.
Or they think that you're being like dramatic, or to show you that you're being dramatic.
No. I'm gonna go shopping for another camera. Damn, Curtis. Better go shopping.
Wait, what are we doing?
Yeah, Curtis out here like, let me see the screen, let me see the screen. Yeah. Like he ain't gonna see the footage when I play it back. Jeez. Alright guys, so we came over here because we're gonna go shop for another camera and we'll see what's good. Alright guys, GoPro Hero 7s. So some bum bunked both of my Hero 4s. That bum knows who he is. So I might have to get some Hero 7s in a little bit.
You got that thing. How much was like 300?
400, yeah.
400. I don't mind if it just flips up.
Is it like worse quality or something?
No, this one has better quality actually.
That one's only for standstill, so if you're gonna do tutorials and not move, that's what you use. If you're gonna be moving around, it doesn't have stabilization, so it's gonna come out blurry as fuck. Alright guys, so I bought one of these to try to get some better audio for you guys, so hopefully it works out. I do have to link this to my phone since my camera doesn't have an aux connector for some reason. So I have to link this to my phone, and then I'm gonna have to somehow merge the audio together from my phone onto here. So it might make edits a little harder for me, so I might not be dumping out edits every single day anymore. But I'm just gonna focus on quality. I don't wanna drop quantity. Quality is what I'm here for.
It's safe.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Best Buy right now. You might be able to hear the wind noise I'm talking about. So we're gonna try to eliminate all of this for you guys with this. So hopefully I figure this out and I work it correct. If I don't, I'm just gonna return it, and then you guys are gonna have to deal with shitty audio. And yeah. Yeah, Curtis. Hey, whoa. He's all embarrassed of his new purchase. Whoa.
Cousins or anything? Yeah. I bought two.
I don't think you can wait till Big Bear for those, bro.
I am. I'm awake. This is gonna be for my birthday.